Can you name these 10 flowers by their picture? Only a botanist will get question 8 right. First one, let's go. Number 1. Rose. Number 2. Tulip. Number 3. Daisy. Medium level. Share this video with your friends and challenge them. Number 4. Sunflower. No. 5. Lily. Number 6. Orchid. If you haven't already, press the follow button for more daily quizzes. Hard level. Number 7. Hydrangea. No. 8. Peony. Number 9. Gerbera. Share this video with your friends, but don't forget to share your score and comment. Extreme level. Number 10. Lavender.